Hi, good morning, madam. How are you?
Good morning, sir, and namaskar to everyone, to our audience, and namaskar to Gobind, sir. And also, thank you for giving me opportunity to speak here. And I'm very happy. I'm so excited to speak here. So, yeah, sir.
Thank you, madam. Please introduce yourself.
So this is Sadnara from Hyderabad. By professionally, I'm an English or Hindi teacher. I have a multiple like student across the countries like worldwide. So like it's been 3 years I'm teaching Hindi English through online and offline. So this is my short introduction. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Sadhana Roy, for your brief introduction. I think you are also a teacher of English language. Also, you are teaching Hindi
Yes.
online and offline. Okay, very glad to see you. It's a wonderful meeting. Okay, now, so how long time you have been teaching online, offline?
It's been 3 years, like since Corona, I'm teaching. Because in the corona I guess like people wait most they can't go they can't attend any offline classes, so it is most comfortable like they can join online classes, so like I have
Okay,
started to do. Yeah.
yes, madam. While you are teaching English language, so what are the problems that you are facing and how you are solving the problems, basically in
Oh,
spoken English?
okay, in spoken English, what I felt like if I talk about myself in the starting, like when I was kind of beginner, so I faced a lot of problem, and the moreover is like even though if you know the English, but you're facing kind of like you don't have the confidence to speak in front of the people. One of the major thing that our youth is facing, even we have the talent but we can't show up in the public, so that people doesn't know about it. So what I believe that have a like you have to be a confident, so confident, so and also you have to learn like whatever the languages you're learning, it's not about only English or something else. You have to learn day by day. You have to be very courageous about your dream or your passion. Like I have learned, I was so shy. I was kind of like I was unable to speak, but like I have decided that I don't want to. Like I wanted to learn something. I wanted to do something big. So I have tried to go out. I've participated many many classes, uh, and also many shows, many like kind of programs, so where I can speak, where like people can listen me, like whatever I say, they can listen my voice, they can listen they can know my thoughts. So through that also, and one of the main important thing that we have nowadays, we have a important thing like the social media where we can learn, we can connect with the people, we can get lots of things. As we know that knowledge is the power of like it's an ocean, the more we learn, the more we get. So here the social media also plays an important role. How like because of that also I have got influency, and I got more many of people where like I have communicate with them, and I have excel myself. So this is also one of the major part in my life. So through that I have learned, and I suggest to the people also, try to hang out, try to go out, try to speak with the people, and also be active in the social media. Try to speak with the people where like if something you're learning English. And one more thing, people are shy. So I must say, don't shy. Just go on whatever you want to do. Yeah, people can, assume like something bad or something, anything. It's people choice what they want. But our work, our duty is to, to work on our dreams. If we are, if we want to achieve something, then we need to give our 100%. We can't shy. We can't, we can't fear for something which doesn't exist.
So, madam, in your teaching experience, what are the common question, common problem generally they ask?
The common problem what my student like I have been like I heard many times that children are facing the common problem is kind of the lack of people. They are not getting the same people who is learning English or with the same with the same field. So like, but also they have many platforms. As I told you, social media, this and that. So they can go, they can take the help of social media. But what people are saying that social media is kind of spoiling us or something. There are negativity. Uh, I say, like, I can say that there is both advantages and disadvantages in every platform. But that we have to know how should we have to utilize that particular thing, but that people doesn't want to know. So this is what always people want to ask. And also like people doesn't respect, like if they know English, they can't speak the major part, then they have the talent, but they don't know how to show in the front of the people. So what I say, try to learn, and try to be more focused on, and try to be more confident. When you started talking with the people, you will get automatically, say, the positive attitude, and you can speak with the people. So this is also the major part that students are facing: the lack of confidence, the lack of having dream or having any goal. So they need to have something goal. It's not about big or something. They can have a small goal also, so that they can work by step by step.
Okay, thank you, madam. You have elaborated your answer for the question. And I think in your answer, I came to know that there should be interaction with the like-minded people. Then only we can enrich, and we can acquire language competency, and we can boost our confidence
Yeah.
by talking with the like-minded people. That is very important. And that's one more thing. What are your suggestions that you are going to give new learners? Yeah, in a shortcut, please.
Yeah, like I wanted to suggest them, be patient and try to learn. Whatever, try to learn every day. Apart from that, apart from learning, they need to also focus on kind of listening. If anybody is speaking something, they need to listen carefully. And listening, apart from writing, they need to explore the thing. Like if they have learned something, if suppose if they were watching any movies, so in that, if any word, if they were like any English movie, if they got any sentence, if they didn't understand, they need to write down. They need to like ask to the people who are uh, very knowledgeable in English. So they need to do day by day, listening, writing, speaking. They need to do every day. Even if they practicing half an hour, that's okay, but still they have to do at least 5 to 10 minutes. So that's make them perfect.
So nice explanation. Thank you, Madam Sadhana Roy, Madam, for your wonderful sharing and your wonderful interaction. Thank you for coming to my live session and sharing your every experience regarding English language teaching, learning, and making aware of everything regarding English communication. Thank you. See you later, Madam.
Oh, we can
Namaste.
say thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.